Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and pick languages at the top of the list. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently applied languages. Usually you will have only one, but as you can see in my case, I've got 3. So let me share with you how to first of all add new language. So let's tap on add a language, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So it's basically up to you. Just find the language and tap on it. Let me pick Greek, I believe it is Greek, and then pick the region if you can. And as you can see, the language will be immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do in order to really set the Greek language, we have to tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the very first position, because the language which will be on the first position will be applied. And as you can see, after setting it on the first position, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case, Greek. As I said, I believe it is Greek. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And here we've got English. Of course, if you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the languages, so I will remove all of them instead of English, of course, and then tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.